Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, you guys have been amazing. I'm back with another packet hair review. And the hair I will be reviewing today is Mayqueen Pixie. I've done a review of the straight hair and also the natural Pixie packet hair of this Mayqueen. But today we'll be focusing on the piano color. This Mayqueen Pixie comes in two packs. For the Pixie it comes in two packs, and we have the natural color and the piano color, which is this one I'm holding here. This hair is a double drawn hair that comes with an original 4x4 fully ventilated closure. The closure is really full, and as you can see, the closure is the same length with the bundle that I'm holding, and it's a three-part closure as well. You can decide to style this closure as a side parting, center parting, C-cut. You can decide to style it as a mini frontal. This hair comes in 4 bundles. So one pack of this hair can make a full wig. Unless you want something that is really full. But it will be more expensive with the way dollar is increasing. This packet hair is really soft and it's tangle free. That's one thing I love about the hair. And also the hair doesn't shed. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through the hair. I'm touching the hair and nothing, it's not shading. It's not shading at all. And also, this hair doesn't have thin ends. It's a double drawn hair. It doesn't have thin end. It is full from the weft to the end of the hair. It's really full. It's not like some packet hairs that you get, it will be having thin end. This one doesn't have thin ends. And this hair is also silky for a colored hair. At the end of the video, I will show you how this hair looks like after I must have wigged it. Then I'll make my final conclusions. For the inches of this hair, you can get this hair from 12 inches to 18 inches, but getting the 18 inches is really rare. The one that is mostly common is the 12 inches to 16 inches. And also, for the price of this hair is ranging from 80,000 to 110,000, depending on the length and your location. Because here I will not be specifying the exact amount because of this increments in dollar price, so I will not be specifying the exact amount. So here I've finished wigging this hair and I've also styled the closure. As you can see, it came out really beautiful. It came out really beautiful, and you can see the closure is well laid. If you don't know how to style your closure wig, your pixie coily wig, you can check my channel because I just posted a video today on how to style and maintain your coily hairs, so that you can have an idea on how to style your pixie coil or any coily hair that you have. If you've watched to the end of this video and you find this video really helpful, please do what to click the subscribe button, like this video, comment, share, and also turn on your post notification bell to get notified once I post a new video. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.